If you want your search on the iPhone to be faster and simpler, Spotlight Search is the perfect tool for you. This powerful feature allows you to quickly find everything, from apps to contacts, messages, and even online content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable Spotlight Search on the home screen and make your iPhone even more efficient. Let's get started right away. First, go to your home screen, find and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and find Home Screen and App Library, then tap to open it. Once you're there, you'll see several options. In the Search section, you'll find the option called Show on Home Screen, which means you'll enable the search bar to be displayed directly on the home screen, allowing you to quickly search for apps, contacts, and other content without opening any additional apps. Simply turn on this option by tapping the switch, and Spotlight will be immediately available every time you press the home screen. Now, if you've activated this option, go to your home screen, and there you'll see a button labeled Search. Tap it, and you can immediately start typing your search term. This feature allows you to quickly access everything you need without opening each app individually. And that's all, friends. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.